Hey guys, Special Donovan HB Realty, part of the Johnson Group out here at Cobblestone Village in Savannah, Georgia. It's really close to Bloomingdale, the Honda EV plant, all that great stuff. Today we're going through a Kerry plan. This is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bath home with 1,475 square feet. We're just gonna go check this out real quick and you can tell me what you think. Welcome home, right, to the Kerry plan. I love that they got the 2 bedrooms up front. Once again, this is a starter home, so these 2 bedrooms can fit a queen size bed. You probably don't want to go more than that, so I'm gonna let Brandon check these 2 out. But also there's a shower tub combo here with a quartz countertop. So check all this out, and I'm gonna meet you in the kitchen. Now we're into the kitchen area, obviously wide open to the living room, dining area, and I'd like to applaud the stager. It kind of gives you an idea of what you could do with this home. Obviously, you could do anything you want, but this kind of gives you that idea of how the living room could be set up. Of course, you could rearrange them however you would like, but this is great so you can understand what's going on and come into the dining room area, which leads into the primary bedrooms we're gonna go to next. But then here we got quartz countertops right here. Love that, stainless steel appliances. Now I want you to know with new construction homes, typically they don't include the refrigerator. Now it depends on the days, it depends on what incentives they have going on that month, but you know, just so you know, a general rule of thumb, no refrigerators. But yeah, I love the gray cabinets they got going on here. Very nice, and then you got this nice sized pantry right here. So yeah, you fit all kinds of food and stuff, and it leads out to covered porch, which is great. So let's go into the primary bedroom right here. Now, as you can see, this primary bedroom can fit a king size bed and also 11 pillows. So make sure you know that. You can fit at least 11 pillows in this room. It's great, I love this. You can fit a chest of drawers or something like that right there, maybe your TV or something like that. As you can see, it's big enough to just have a chair right there. Laminate floors on the ground, okay? So this is rolled, actually this is rolled vinyl, excuse me. Rolled vinyl, okay? And then it comes into this primary bathroom right here, which I do love. Dual vanities right here. Once again, that quartz countertop going on. Nice size closet. And then you got your standing shower right here. I'm gonna let Brandon take care of this and I'm gonna meet you outside. Now welcome outside. Now this is not going to be representative of every yard that this floor plan has to offer, but this one is the one right here. Pretty nice size, comes out here to, as you can see the line right here, goes to that stake right there, and it's all this. You can fence it all in if you wanted to, and like I said, it's a convenient location, right? You're not very far from pool, you're 1 exit down, so I mean, if you could go, there's several ways. Actually, we got out here a different way, but yeah, this is a great floor plan. So that was a Kerry plan by DR Horton in Cobblestone Village. If you have a question about this home or any home that DR Horton has to offer, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.